come with me to East Legon, Ghana. My mom and I were looking for the perfect dress for her birthday celebration, which she had at the amazing Sandbox Beach Club, which I'm going to share at the end. You won't want to miss what we wore and also what happened at the epic birthday celebration. Watch until the end. We're going to be showing you fashion to dancing, and also something unexpected happened, so you don't want to miss this vlog. Funny inside joke like Ghana time. So, and our guests have arrived. My uncle Ashok, my mom's brother, enjoying the vibe. So this is a supermarket while you drive in Ghana. People have their stores available to street. This is like a street shop. Water, anything you want to buy, you might find it just by waiting in traffic. Someone is even cleaning car. So many hustles. People are hustling. So this is what it is in Ghana. Sometimes you have to hustle, and yeah, everyone is doing their own thing. So when you're in traffic, so we're going to True Blue. So hopefully we find some beautiful dresses here. This is East Legon.
You go further up the boundary road, and there's a turning on the left. There are shops with. Hey, you're about to sew some outfit.
I'm looking at what options are available.
Maybe she will come.
Oh, maybe I should come and here. Different material. Okay. So then maybe we'll come here if we have something to sew. They have different material here. Oh wow, threads here as well. And then do they? You said you have accessories here. Accessories. Oh, you have lace. Oh, okay, nice. Okay. So you guys come by True Blue if you're in Ghana. They have beautiful fabric, and you'll meet my sister here. Her name is
Jamila.
Oh, Jamila. Jamila will help you with everything you need, and also her auntie outside, which her name is Grandma. Okay. This is called The Lush Closet by Nana.
What, ma?
This is the third location, so I hope my mom finds something here that she likes. Please, God. This is East Legon, and she's we've been looking at many options. So we will see which option will be the best.
Huh?
Mom, turn around. It looks good.
Huh? Ayete, what do you think?
Turn around this. Okay, so here's some of the options. Okay. Skirt. Okay.
I like this blouse and the blouse on the other side. Can I see this one? This one, please. And then this blouse here was the one that, here we go. Okay, so
Send us the channel. You can follow our channel back too.
oh, okay, amazing. And what is the name of your store?
Sugar coated. It's okay.
Okay, sugar coated. So this is sugar coated. It's in East Legon, and
So it's a fan, it's a light, it's also Bluetooth. It also plays music.
beautiful high fashion attire here. You can
So
come.
actually, I bought them here, but I bought them from this lady. She brings them from China.
Really?
Yeah, I bought that from
Oh,
here.
can you give me her information?
Sure.
I want my store in Secondary to be.
Well, what do you sell in your store?
I'm actually the owner of a commercial property.
Okay.
Yeah, it's a shopping center with
Yeah,
a
with a
pharmacy.
shopping center,
You
just
have
like-
two Coca-Cola
that's like-
So do you
rentals.
so do you also own the stores in the plaza, or you just own the plaza
I
alone?
own the
The
whole
entire building
everything.
and the plaza.
Okay, so it's like a building like this, but this shop is also yours.
Yes.
Some of the shops are mine.
Okay.
Yeah, we rented it out. Yes.
Okay.
And then rented.
I was born in Sekendi Hospital. I know Takwadi very well. I went to even Chapel Hill a little bit.
Okay, so
Yeah, I come from the Sangari family. Mommy, don't get go. Mommy, you walked in here. I was thinking you were like late 40s. She's telling me she's about to be 50. I'm like, I mean, you're about to be 60, girl. I want to be like you when I'm 60. I don't think so. I know so. You look great.
Thank you. If Awurama will stop bothering me, I will look younger. Hey, Awurama,
Yes.
you should stop stressing.
Oh, I don't stress you.
Ah,
I always want
She
your best.
looks, mommy,
your
I
best
can look at her.
interest.
Irama, come, let's exchange social media.
Okay.
I can look at her and I can tell she stresses you. Send her home for the next 2 months. But Audrey, you want to mean so a princess?
Hey, Mama, we did zip out on the side. Yeah.
Oh, why is it doing? What is it doing that?
It's doing what?
It's acting weird. This is so weird. Sorry. So we made our final choices. Mom, are you happy with what you got?
Yes.
Yes. So we are going home. So I will be showing you. Thank you so much. So we are leaving. I will show you all where we're going to be staying now. So we'll tune in soon until we get to our apartment. This is Ghana, and this is Ultimate Vibes. You see the energy, you see the good vibes, you see everyone just chilling, having a good time, and this is what it's all about in Ghana. This is Sandbox Beach Club in Accra, Ghana, where the vibes are one of the top-notch beach resorts in Ghana. And yes, we are here today celebrating no other than the Queen, my mom's birthday celebration. Hey, we had such an amazing time. So basically, my mom and we invited our friends and family. My mom also invited her family and friends just to vibe out at the beach. As you can see, this is the Atlantic Ocean, and just the architecture of this beach resort is just on another level with the pool and the different sections, the decor. This is the Africa that they don't show on TV. But if you stay tuned to this channel, I'm gonna show you the luxury that is in Ghana, the luxury that is in Africa that they don't show. And this is me. I was just walking around getting a feel of the place. This was like my first official time coming. I had came one time when I was jogging in the morning and I stumbled across this resort. So I was like, I definitely want to have my mom's birthday here. This is the bartenders. This is my mom having a good time, just dancing, feeling the vibes of the music. I mean, we were so happy just to be in Ghana with one another, celebrating her birthday is like one of those one in a lifetime experience that I will always cherish and remember with her. And I love this resort because it has the pool right overlooking the ocean. And you know, that's me and my mom, you know, the vibes. This is the outfit check. You know, I have my glasses. I'm big on jewelry. I love necklaces. I love glasses. I love accessories. So this is the dress that I'm wearing. This is my mom's dress too. So you can just check the fly, you know, the outfits. And you're just saying, I love my mom's outfit, by the way. It looks so chic, so classy, so beautiful, just like her. Vibing to the music. I have this joke that it's Ghana time, which means that, you know, when you invite people to a party, they usually don't come exactly on time. So it's like a funny inside joke, like Ghana time. So, and our guests have arrived. My uncle Ashok, my mom's brother, the boss man, the mayor of Takrady, and the other boss man, uncle of mine, boss man Ashley, and that's my uncle Ashok's daughter. And you know, we're just having a good time, enjoying the vibe. For the entire episode of my mom's birthday celebration, make sure you watch that video next. I am going to leave it at the end of this video, and you can stay tuned and watch that video next. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned to the next episode.